What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. We finally got a decent day, man, here in DC. So today's video, man, I am going to use sport mode. We're gonna do a little riding around in sport mode and see exactly what happens when you use sport mode. I personally don't use it a lot because, for one, really don't have anywhere to drive around where I can actually utilize sport mode. Because again, you know, the police in DC, man, they vicious, bruh. They in every corner of the damn highway, man. They always lurking. So you gotta be looking out for the feds, man, when you out here riding around, especially in a Dodge Charger in DC, because they automatically assume you're doing something wrong. So today's video, man, we're gonna use sport mode and we're gonna see what's happening. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so I don't have it in sport mode yet because I'm in a residential area right now. But right now the car just rides, you know, it's kind of settled. But I noticed when I put it in sport mode, the steering wheel tightens up, and also I noticed when it switched gears, the gear shift is shorter. I mean, it gets in the gears a little quicker, and that's what I like about sport mode. Now, I'm about to put it in sport mode in a minute, but sometimes it just seems like it's a waste of time putting it in sport mode because you can't really get on the car too much, especially if you live, you know, in the city like me, or you live where there's a bunch of police. So it's almost like it's pointless to have, you know, to turn on the sport mode unless you're on the track and you're getting ready to run, or you at a light, you're gonna get on it. You definitely can feel the difference. And here we got a student driver, so I'm gonna be patient. See what I'm saying? It's like there's no point in putting it in sport mode, especially when you're riding through a residential area. All right, guys, we're in sport mode now, so get on a little bit. See what I'm saying? It seems like it opens up the exhaust. And definitely tightens up the steering wheel. But as you can see, man, there's people out here. Ain't too much I can really do. But, you know, because I want to stay safe at the same time, and I ain't trying to get no damn ticket. So, but it definitely opens up the exhaust. And like I said, this RT move, man. See what I'm saying? People always talk about the 5.7 ain't fast, man. Okay. Especially once I put these, once I get these mods done. Like I say, I'm looking at a supercharger, and it's gonna be a serious situation, man. Once I get done with all the mods I plan on doing. But again, see, I've rarely used the paddle shifters, but man, I love the way these cars shift, bruh. Can't beat it, man. The way these cars shift is unbelievable to me, man. A lot of times I just ride around in sport mode just to listen to my exhaust. So I can't even really do nothing, man. It got this BMW in the damn way. Never fails, man. In sport mode, it gets you in trouble because you find yourself getting on it more than. Like I said, I got S-type boiler mufflers on here with a resonator delete. Oh, it did spin. It didn't spin as much as they usually spin, though. Yeah, man, this joint is nothing but the truth, bruh. I don't know why people be sleeping on the 5.7, man. I'm trying to tell y'all. So usually, when I get on it with these 275s, if it's not in sport mode, it won't spin. But since it's in sport mode, I guess, you know, that joint spin a little bit. I mean, it's all good. Like I said, I rarely use the paddle shifters. Manual mode engaged. not too bad. I just gotta get used to using them. I never use these, so. But everybody seemed to have the Flowmaster, so I wanted something different. That's why I got the boilers. And I think there's 3 types. You got the Touring, then you have the S-type, and then you have the Attack. I actually like the way the Attack sound, but I'm really digging the S-type because it has more of a settled sound. It's deep, but it's not too like raspy, not too loud and obnoxious. And because I already pissed my neighbors off when I remote start my car in the morning to go to work. So I can only imagine if I had the Attack boiler exhaust. But I just wanted to do a quick video, man, using the sport mode. Like I say, I got to get a little bit more practice using the paddle shifters. So once I start like actually racing people, I'll probably use the paddle shifters because they're smooth, man. You know, the car shifts real quick and smooth. So that's probably the best route to go when you're running against another vehicle. So we'll see, man. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a quick little video, man. Just to, so I can get used to driving around in sport mode and actually try to get a little practice with the paddle shifters. Right now, it seems to be a lot of people out on the road, so it's not really necessarily safe to be out here riding around at high speeds. So I'm gonna end this video right here, man. If this is your first time joining my channel, man, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, man. I got some stuff coming for y'all, and I see y'all on the next video. Peace.